Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be putting my beautiful guest star, girlfriend, gal pal in drag for the first time. So I've just finished watching Drag Race US finally, the series that just dragged on forever and ever, and I just thought it would be fun to do a family resemblance challenge. I've only been doing drag since the first lockdown, so I've never really put anybody else in drag. I've put you in makeup, and I've guided you in drag one time, but I've never actually done a typical Madeline Monroe face on anybody else. No. So
I want to see what you do with my brows, to be fair, because they're much longer than yours.
They are much thicker than mine. You're more blessed than I am.
These bad boys.
But let's get right into it and see.
Okay. Oh, they're so long. I look so gorgeous. I feel like I'm going to end up looking like is it Animal? The Sesame Street.
I don't watch Sesame Street because I'm an adult. Brows are down, very, very powdered, as you can see. I wasn't sure how much powder to use on Emma,
so
because
like as much as physically possible.
Yeah, her brows are thicker than mine, obviously. So I'm so sorry. That's all I can say.
Look how big they are.
I am now full egg. You are partially full egg.
Part egg.
Part egg, part human.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, no, I'm not convinced. But if you want to see how I covered my brows and how I covered Emma's brows, I do actually have another video on that up on my channel, so go and check it out. But just to save a little bit of time, I've just covered them off camera, and I'm now going to go in with a concealer and try and convert you to 100% egg. So
it's all I want.
It's all I really want from life. What more can you ask for?
Exactly. I want to be an egg.
Alright, so disclaimer, I'm usually the pale one in this relationship. But I have just contoured my face in preparation for contouring yours. So the stark contrast is not really it right now. But I've just asked Emma if she has her own bronzer. Didn't know whether to use hers or use mine. Her skin is usually a little bit more like olive toned, a little bit more tan than mine is. This is hers.
I think that's perfect. I don't see the problem here. I think that's fine.
This is the one that I use.
I mean, mine is so much neater.
Yours is... I just can't use that.
Mine's like got a little magnetic...
Well, she also just told me that she uses a fan brush to contour her nose.
There's like literally nothing wrong with that. It's a very small fan brush and it works really well. So, you know, if anyone wants to know what brush that is, just let me know. I will hit you up. You don't. Slide into my DMs.
Disclaimer, you do not want to know what that brush is. So I'm gonna contour, nose contour. Nose contouring I feel like is gonna be hard because our nose shapes are very different.
Because I have a nose and she doesn't.
But I am curious, I am doing my drag on you, so I do want to see what this kind of nose shape looks like on you, whether it works. I feel like we can make it work.
Let's pray together.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, I can do it with this.
Oh, for God's sake.
Hang on. Wait, tell me to do it.
Okay, nose reveal in...
Oh shit, sorry. I thought you just said nose reveal and I was just gonna... That actually does look good. This is the smallest nose I've ever had.
Sisterhood.
Gals being pals.
Gals being pals. Yeah, I think it looks good. Look at how shapely your face is.
What are you saying?
Yeah,
as opposed to normal.
I'm just saying that normally you have a round face with no shape to it whatsoever.
Normally I do look like a root vegetable.
Okay. Well, I'm going to do the rest of the base, which is not very exciting. Just a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlight, and then we will move on to the real exciting part, which is the eyes. Again, we have kind of different eye shapes, so it's going to be a learning experience for sure. I think that's a nice way of putting it.
I like to challenge you.
Okay. I don't like being challenged. What I've decided I want to do is do warm tones on Emma. So I'm going to go with orange, reds, pinks, Maybe a yellow if I'm feeling particularly spicy.
Bit
fruity. I am a fruit. That's not me. That's not why. Hope nobody's offended by that slur. Anyway. And then I'm gonna do like cool tones on me, so probably blue, purple, maybe a little bit of green. But you look really good in oranges, so you know what? I'm gonna play to your strengths.
What do you mean? Everything is my strength.
Okay, so here is the shape on my eye, how it looks on her, and I just basically finished up my eyes to show you what we're aiming for. So I think I'll probably use the orange UV liner on you. I don't know, I think more yellow would just make it more Tina Burner in my eyes, and that's not a good thing. No, nobody wants that. Nobody wants that. So yeah, just gonna add the liner, a little white highlight here, and then of course the UV.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna tackle brows.
And then I'll finally be beautiful.
Yeah, well, maybe. I don't know, we'll see.
Fingers crossed.
We'll see.
I'm very optimistic.
What do you think?
I'm feeling it.
Feeling the fantasy?
Yes.
That
didn't sound that. It sounded so forced.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I like that when they do family resemblance and they do like the same kind of makeup but opposite colours. Yeah. So this is like my little Drag Race fantasy, I guess.
And this is my dream come true as well.
Yeah.
What can I say?
But we have to move on, unfortunately, now to my least favourite part, which is the brows.
Yeah, I'm feeling a bit bold. I miss my brows. I know they're under there.
See, I love doing drag with no brows. It's my favourite kind of drag to do because I feel like, one, I look so different, and also, two, I'm just very lazy and I hate drawing my brows. They're never even.
That's fair.
And yeah, it just sucks. So hopefully they'll go a bit better on you. But
I love a brow. Let's find out.
Brow me. Right, eyebrows are on. How do you feel? Less bold?
Yeah, I like them a lot.
It's always crazy when you have like drag eyebrows for one of the first times because I feel like it changes your entire face.
Yeah, no, I like them. It makes my forehead look a reasonable size, which is genuinely all I could ever want in the world.
I don't think mine have gone too badly today. I'm still not certain they're like completely even, but you know what? I just can't stop doing it. I just can't be asked to fix them. So the only really thing that we've got left to do is lips and lashes. Lashes always come last after you've got changed and got your wig on, so nothing gets crazy.
I'm excited.
Yeah, so let's do lips and lashes. But don't laugh because... Okay everyone, we are back and here is the finished look. The family resemblance challenge. Do you think we look alike?
I don't know about you, but I feel like a Disney villain. And I'm okay with that.
I mean, that's what I want to accomplish in pretty much all of my drag, so I'm also okay with that.
I just want to be mean. You know? Is this why you're so mean? All the time?
No, how do you feel?
I feel wonderful.
Would you go out like this?
Let's see how cooking dinner in the house goes.
Oh yeah, we've got to go and show this to my parents now.
We're going to go show your parents. We're going to go cook some gnocchi. And it's going to be great.
It is going to be great. I'll be posting pictures of these looks over on my Instagram if they're not up already. Let me know in the comments what you think Emma's drag name should be because her suggestions are just absolutely terrible.
I just want to be named after a little old lady.
Not in this house.
No. I just, you know, we're working on it.
But you guys can work on it for us if you're a very creative person and drop your drag name suggestions in the comments check out my other videos and follow me on my other socials, and I will see you next time.